These are the same Bronze Age campaigns, but I used ChatGPT's Codex to change the character names and color of the country. The real question is, did I destroy the campaign or improved it? I upgraded the country from Anshan to Elam, and I really didn't like the color. It was hard to see, so I changed the color back to purple plus all of its shades, and also changed the name of the ruling dynasty from Uruk-Tarana to Achaemenid, which has a historical basis. Let's see how I did that all. So I started the game in debug mode first. There are no commands that I know of that can change the color or the family names inside the game, like console commands I mean. So the best option to go would be to go and change the save files. These save files are located in Documents, Paradox Interactive, Imperator save games. But the problem is that, let's say open this one, they are in the machine's language. So I cannot edit this. In order to edit them, I have to save them in this format, which is editable. And to save them in this format, I need to save them while on debug mode. So I hope you understand why I changed to debug mode here. We also need to acquire the country's tag, which is here NSH, and also the number 577. So then it was simple. I uploaded the file into my codex. By the way, this is the plus plan, and it's different than the ChatGPT you find on the browser. So I uploaded the file here. I asked him I want to change the country color in this, and I gave it a very lazy command just to locate where is my country color is located here. Pardon my English here, it's not correct, but this poor app has adapted to my lazy typings here. Then it finds it for me in 1 minute of work in the line 3857 or something. Imagine just going through 3800 lines of code yourself, and it found the colors. These are the colors, the RGB colors, and then it explains to me. I say, is it yellow? Just double checking if it finds the correct colors. It says yes, it's golden yellow and ochre yellow. So yeah, we are in the right place. These are the colors I don't like to see. I want purple. So okay, I want shades of purple. And Codex tells me, okay, use this kind of colors. I am not going to go and count all of these lines myself and change the code. So I ask it to say, do the change and don't touch anything else. Provide the name with 0.1 ending. I mean that create a save file that is 0.1. I version my save files to don't mess things up here. And then it started working. It was doing something, I don't know what it was, and I said it took 2 minutes and 54 seconds. So I start the conversation. It's just changing 3 lines of code. Why you are taking so long? And it just understood what I mean and said done, created. And it created this save file, color 0.1 ROM. Only Elam 3 purple color were changed. The original save was untouched. And then I asked for the link to the file. It provided me the link to the file. I went in the game and checked it. It was correct. And then I said, change all Kutik Hutran. Kutik Hutran was my ruler dynasty. And I changed them files into Achaemenid. And then it says done in 44 seconds. Replaced all 58 Kutik Hutran names with Achaemenid in the 0.1 save. And here are the results. The results were very satisfactory. I really liked it. And I'm going to ask my friends in the Persian channel to name the dynasties they wanted to see as the other dynasties in the playthrough, because I'm running one there. My channel there is called Baziane, and then if you are not speaking Persian, it's okay. You can get the translated videos in English. It auto-translates my videos there. You can also go to our website, persicusimperium.com. I'm still building it up. Of course, we have Paradox game downloads. I have just put one there. You can download it and play Bronze Age in CK2. It's a work in progress here. I have big plans for this community, and you can get the latest videos and information about my other channels. I have 2 music channels, and even this Baziane is here. You can get to see how you can join our channel, and of course like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So ChatGPT correctly here identified where to change and also implemented the changes without messing up the rest of the file. It changed the color and it changed the name of the dynasties. I seriously would use AI to do more changes like this and identifying and reading the files for me. So thank you for watching until this point and see you in the next one.